Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, this project is connected bar graph to ATMEGA328 exact IC that will work with the Arduino. I have one buzzer, 10 LEDs, 10 LEDs bar graph. I did not use the protection resistor. I used the normal copper wire here, one cap, and finally I used the 4.7 volt mobile phone battery. Here is back side of the project. Here is the oscillator. I did not use the 22 puff capacitors. This is working pretty well, not need for this. And also I used the 1K reset protection for the ATMEGA328. This is EMF detector project. Here is my antenna, a small copper wire connected to the analog pin number A0, and I'm going to test the project. I will turn on the device. We good. Yeah, on fire device, and it is off now. We don't have any activity now because of we have no EMF field over it. I'm going to close to the power cord. Very good. The code for the Arduino is available with GitHub. It is better to program the IC with Arduino than replace with this IC to be sure that everything is okay. And I will leave one more video about EMF detectors. One more time I will test the project. There we go. Thanks for watching and goodbye.